Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Vivaldi browser on Linux. So in order to install Vivaldi browser on Linux we have to go into another browser to see the installation steps on the official Vivaldi website. So we have to open the Firefox for example. And right now I will type in Vivaldi for Linux. And I will press enter, and as you can see, we have the first site, Vivaldi browser, vivaldi.com, download Vivaldi. So I will press on it, and right now we can get it from the Snap Store. Snap Store would work on the Ubuntu distribution, but I will do it with the deb file because deb file will work on every distribution. So you have to simply just press on it in order to download it, because this site will choose automatically the best file for you. For example, you have Windows, you have Linux, you have 4 different ways to downloading this on Linux, so we will choose this one. And as you can see, my download is completed, so we can move to the terminal. And right now I will open the terminal, and in this terminal I will move to the download section at the beginning to make it a little bit easier. And right there, as you can see, we have a vivaldi-stable 7.7 version, and we have to install it. How can we install something like this? We have to type in, first of all, sudo, because we need administration permissions. Second of all, we have to use on Ubuntu and on Debian apt install. You have to simply type here your basically the command that you are using for installing things on your Linux distribution. So for example, if you are on the Fedora distribution, you have to type here sudo dnf install. I am on Ubuntu, I have to type in sudo apt install. If you are on the different distribution than Ubuntu, Debian or Fedora, you have to find this command on your own. And right now we have to use the file, so we have to write something like this, dot and slash. It looks similar to launching a script, and right now Vivaldi stable and so on. So you can fill that name by pressing tab on your keyboard. That's pretty helpful, I think. And you have to press enter. Right now, of course, you have to type in your password because you used sudo command. So like this. And right now we have to simply wait for our installation to be finished. So we are on the 20%. It will take probably around a minute, not a long time. As you can see, we are at the end and it is working. And right now, how can we check the version? I think we can check the version but by typing in vivaldi -- version. I guess it is working. As you can see, we have Vivaldi 7.7 3851 0.67 stable. And right now, how can we launch it? We can launch it in the 2 ways. So the first way is by typing in Vivaldi in your terminal and pressing enter. And right now, as you can see, my Vivaldi browser is working. So of course, because this is the first setup, we have to do the configuration. So I will press on continue, skip, it doesn't really matter, continue and continue. And as you can see, my browser is working, start browsing, so it is working fine. The second way to launch it is by pressing on apps right there and pressing on the Vivaldi icon, so like this, and it is also working. So this is the installation tutorial for the Vivaldi browser. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.